Hi guys. First of all, thank you so much, Jack and William, for letting me know that the video did not post well. I appreciate it, so I'm redoing the video. Again, it's trial and error for all of us, and thank you for working as a team with me. All right, all we're going to do is test out to make sure your program worked well, and if it didn't, once you post your picture of your calculator, just message me and I'll check to see what went wrong. We're going to put this in our calculator. Ooh, I guess first I need to write. So pen color, let's do pirate blue. So we're going to solve x squared plus 4x plus 5 equals 0. And we know that a equals 1, b equals 4, and c equals 5. So we're going to put that in a calculator. You're going to go press program on your calculator. Unfortunately, I can't split screen this right now with the recording. So I'll do this for you, press program, and then you'll see the quad. You'll see execute, quad. You're going to hit enter, and then it's going to prompt you on your main screen. It's going to say A question mark. If you program it right, put 1, B question mark 4, and C question mark 5. Now again, and hit enter. Make sure that your mode, when you press the mode key on your calculator, normally it says real. We do not want real because we're dealing with complex. We want A plus BI. Select this option. So if you selected this option for mode and you programmed it right, then your answer should be -2 plus I, and you should see -2 minus I. If you do not see this answer, then you programmed something wrong or you don't have the right mode. Double check to make sure you copied it right in the program, and if you're not sure what's going on, then just message me. I'll be checking messages up until 4 p.m. today. Thanks again, and have a great day all. Bye.